In this episode, I want to share a reflection that struck me this week. Despite not being someone who usually believes in the existence of God, I must admit that the perspective presented was truly brilliant. It suggests that God might show you your vision, your destiny, but will never reveal the path to reach it. There's a reason for this. The path that separates your vision from the final outcome is known as the plan. The plan is the process that gets you toward your destination. While God might reveal the end, the dream we all have, He'll never disclose the plan. Why? Because if you knew the plan, you might forget the destination. The plan exists to prepare you on the journey toward your destiny. Hence, it challenges you with various hurdles for your development. If you knew that before reaching your goal, you'll go through 12 times, you might not want to get there. So you might find yourself now in a place you wouldn't prefer, but that's also part of the plan. I might be wrong, perhaps all of this is a grand falsehood, but I assure you, I'd be willing to live my life based on these beliefs if it means maintaining an unbreakable mindset in any circumstance. Recently, I faced direct rejection when reaching out to numerous prominent influencers in the sector. In the past, I've collaborated with several high-profile figures and know them quite well. I understand many of them portray themselves as mercenaries willing to promote any project for money. However, I specifically avoid this kind of mindset in those around me. My collaboration proposal had different objectives. It was solely direct at those with a long-term vision capable of finding the proposal attractive beyond the immediate. This approach led to numerous rejections, sometimes without even a response. I know, much like in investment funds, finding high-caliber collaborators takes time and dedication. I am committed to sending as many messages as necessary to connect with the right people, those I wish to have close in the coming years. In the past, I wasn't as meticulous in choosing collaborators, resulting in all the media attention turning against me in moments of weakness. My strategy with influencers is simple: to conduct a pre-sale with their communities to list the token and launch it into the market. I'm selecting influencers from around the world, primarily English speakers. An American investor has greater purchasing power than someone in Africa. For example, hence, partnering with an influencer who attracts 1,000 investors willing to invest 500 each will mean raising 500,000. We are in a very opportune moment to achieve this, and I trust that the opportunity will present sooner or later. Once achieved, interest in projects will exponentially soar. To ensure the sustainability of this strategy without burning out, I decided to incorporate it into my daily habits. By integrating it into my routine, I trust that the results will come as by magic. Technologically, we have made significant strides this week. We recovered crucial components we thought that we lost months ago. Despite Faisal being ill, we managed to operate at our peak capacity. Socially, I not only had meetings with investors seeking guidance to improve their finance, but I also exchanged ideas with various friends, including a partner who provided me with the opportunity to learn about another startup valued at $1 billion. Further along, it states and potentially interest in collaborating on vital aspects for us. Moreover, I developed a plan for my investors community to capitalize on the bullish potential of the market. The goal is to turn a 200 investment into opportunity to manage 200,000. It may sound insane, but with the tools provided by financing companies, this possibility is very real. I'll do it for free not only because I want to witness the growth of everyone in my circle, but also to turn them into potential investors in my projects and find opportunities to grow together. I decided to step out of my comfort zone and begin producing this series in English. I'm not only looking to improve my language skill, but also to expand my message worldwide. This will pave the way to welcome opportunities from different corners of the globe. Finally, I want to share a reflection that struck me this week. It was about how close we truly are to achieving our dreams. Often, we perceive them as distant due to our mindset and beliefs. However, reality is different. A meeting, an idea, a relationship, or an action can change everything overnight. We are closer than we think to making our dreams reality.